Break up sentences if they're hard to follow. Here's part of a sales report. To make sure we give our customers an outstanding service, we've started using customer relationship management or CRM software, which, when we keep it up to date, helps us manage all aspects of our relationship with each customer, showing us everything from which products they use to their communication with us. How could you break this up to make it clearer? Here's one way. We now use customer relationship management or CRM software to give our customers an outstanding service. When we keep it up to date, it helps us manage all aspects of our relationship with each customer. It shows us everything from which products they use to their communication with us. The paragraph has gone from one long sentence to 3 shorter ones. As you can see, breaking up long sentences also makes it easier to phrase them clearly. Use contractions. Contractions are where you join 2 words together and add an apostrophe in place of the missing letters. Examples are do not becoming don't, I will becoming I'll, and she is becoming she's. We use contractions in speech all the time, and it sounds unnatural if you never use them in your writing. With our lead generation service, it is all about your return on investment. You will get the most valuable leads for your business, and you will not pay a penny if a contact does not respond. This sounds rather wooden. Which words could you replace with contractions? With our lead generation service, it's all about your return on investment. You'll get the most valuable leads for your business, and you won't pay a penny if a contact doesn't respond. With contractions, this piece of promotional writing is more lively and conversational. It's more likely to grab the reader's interest and lead to a sale.